Hi everybody, welcome to art class. Today we're going to do a project called I Am Awesome, and it's all about how awesome you are. And I've just got a regular old notebook paper here and some markers, but remember you can use whatever you got around your house. It doesn't matter, you don't need fancy art supplies. I'm going to first teach you how to write the words I am awesome. Okay, so even if you're not that good at writing just yet, just try your best, okay? Because you know what? You're awesome. Even if you have a hard time with it, you're still awesome. And I just want you to try your best, and that's good enough. Because you know what? If you're not good at writing words, this is how we get better. We practice. So just try. So first we're going to draw I. It looks like this. And I. Okay, and you can be drawing along with me, or you can come back and do this after the video, or you can pause the video if you need to slow down. That's okay. So, and then am is A, like this, like a pointy shape like that, and a line in the middle. And M goes like, it's like two mountains, like a point and a point. I am. All right, now you're going to write a really big word here. This might be the biggest word you've ever written, so let's try it. And I'm going to go down onto the next part of the page. I'm not going to do it here because it's going to be so big it might not even fit, so I'm going to write it down here. We got our A, which is like a big pointy shape, and the line in the middle. And then a W is kind of like an M, but it goes the other way. We start up here and we go down, up, down, up. That's a W, right? And then an E is like this, over here, then down, then this way, and an E, or a little line in the middle that says ah. And then S, you all know the S, this squiggly one, like that. And then an O, it's just a circle. Another M, which is up, make a point and go down, a point up, and point down. And one more letter, that's another E. So for the E, we go over, down, and over, and a line in the middle. Look at that. It says, I am awesome. And you know what else you can put? This is an exclamation mark. It's a line with a dot underneath, and that means instead of this would say, I'm awesome. But this says, I am awesome, right? It makes it more exciting to say. That's kind of cool. So, I'm going to show you something cool we can do with our letters just for fun. I'm going to take another color, or if you just have a pencil, use the same pencil. I'm going to trace around the letters. You see this? I'm going around. I'm not touching the letter, and I'm doing around the whole thing. So I'm just going on to the next one, and I'm kind of following those letters and going all around. You see how I'm kind of following the letters and going around the whole word just to make it look really cool, right? And I even like to do that a couple times with different colors, or even if you have one color, the same color's fine. But you can do it a couple times. It's just going to make it look really cool. Like it's going, I am awesome. Boom. All right. And I'll do one more just for funsies. We'll do an orange. Cool. There we go. So, even if yours doesn't look quite like mine, or if you had a hard time with letters, that's okay. Remember, you're awesome anyway. And you know what? You're awesome for trying, okay? Because that's how you get better. And you just keep trying. If you got to try again, go for it. Try it 5 times if you have to. It doesn't matter how many times you try and mess up. You're going to get there eventually, okay? You just got to keep trying. So we wrote I am awesome. And what I want you to add to this picture is some things that make you awesome, right? What makes you awesome? Is there something you're really good at? Maybe you're really funny. You make people smile, or you make people happy. Um, Maybe you got really cool hair. I don't know. Everybody's got stuff about them that's awesome. So take a minute to think about what makes you so awesome and try to put things in there, right? It could be little pictures, it could be one thing. Um, One thing that makes me awesome, I really like to draw. And I make some cool drawings, I think. So here's what I'm going to do to show that I'm awesome. I'm going to draw me here. I always start with my beard. There's my little face. I made it a cute one. And there's my hair. And then I'm going to make myself drawing. So I draw my arm here. That's like a little shape. It's good to use shapes for your body. And even my hand is a little shape. And my pencil is a shape. See, it's all just making things out of shapes. And then out of the pencil is going to be all kinds of fun drawings and designs. Okay, so this is to show I'm awesome because I like to draw and I make really cool drawings. Maybe you like to sing. Maybe you sing really well, and that's an awesome thing about you. You can make yourself singing and you could draw the music coming out, right? Maybe you can run really, really fast, and that's something that makes you awesome. So you could draw yourself running really fast, or you're really good at soccer, or basketball, or baseball, or something, right? Maybe you like to tell jokes, or you can make funny faces that make people laugh. That's awesome. You could draw yourself doing that. So really think about what makes you awesome. And if you come up with 10 things that make you awesome, do all of them. Maybe make 10 different drawings or fit them all on one page. I don't care. Go crazy with it. So, this is my I am awesome picture, and I'm making these cool little doodly drawing pictures because that's something that makes me feel awesome. Because you know what? It's important for you to feel good about yourself and realize that you are awesome. Because you are all awesome. You all have your own cool things about you. So, if you ever feel bad, just try to focus on how awesome you are, okay? And just always remember that I am awesome, and think about why you're awesome, and draw a picture of it to help you remember, okay? I'm just going to keep having fun with this and drawing more things. One thing that I really like about my kindergartners, that I think my kindergartners are awesome, is I think you're all really funny. You all make me laugh a lot. Um, you like to be silly and say silly things, and you like to laugh. You're not shy. You know, a lot of my kindergartners are not afraid to be silly or be funny, and I like that about you. I think that makes you awesome. That's one reason I like to hang out with you. And I think you make some really cool drawings. I like the way that my kindergartners draw. Um, you draw things in really cool ways that I like. So that's something that I think is awesome about you. And there's a lot more too. Sometimes kindergartners just come up and give hugs for no reason, and I think that's awesome because you're just so full of love and you don't feel like you need to hide it. That is awesome. There's so many awesome things about you. So just pick one or a couple of them and put them into this picture. And I'm just going to try to fill up this whole thing just to make it a really nice picture. Use all the space. Instead of saying, well, I'm done, I like to say, what else can I add? And look for more open, look for any blank space on the page and think of what you could do with it. Okay. Well, I think that's it for my picture. I don't know what else I could do here. Maybe I'll color my shirt yellow. What else can I do, right? Well, I'm done. Wait, hang on. What else can I add? Maybe I could color my hair and my beard. There we go. Okay. Well, that was fun. I hope you had fun with this one, and you don't have to stop drawing just because the video's over. I want you to keep on going, even make more pictures, okay? So have fun out there. Just always remember how awesome you are, and I'll see you next week. Take care.